Morning, students. I hope you all are well, healthy, and fit, and enjoying your holidays. In the last lectures, we talked about a balanced diet, communicable diseases, how communicable diseases spread, and preventing communicable diseases. In today's lecture, we will talk about a new topic, non communicable diseases. So basically, a non-communicable diseases are the diseases which cannot be spread from one person to another. Which means when a person is infected by any non-communicable disease, then it cannot spread from infected person to healthy person. That's why these diseases are called non-communicable diseases. The cost of non-communicable diseases due to the deficiency of particular nutrient. When a diet is lacking in some nutrient for a long period of time, it results in deficiency, and deficiency results in disorder or diseases. This is also called deficiency diseases. So deficiency diseases are the diseases when a diet is lacking in some nutrient for a long period of time. It results in deficiency, and deficiency result in disorder or diseases. Now let's have a closer look at these nutrient sources and the symptoms of these diseases produce. This chart shows a diseases and their symptoms due to the lack of nutrient and also the sources of nutrient. First is vitamin A. When a diet lacking of vitamin A for a longer period of time, it could result poor vision or night blindness. So what are the symptoms of night blindness? A person is not able to see in dark, which means when a sun set or when there is not a sufficient amount of light present in an area, then a person is not able to see, basic because of poor vision. It could be cured by eating green leafy vegetables, carrot, pumpkin, papaya, mango, milk, egg yolk. Now let's move forward to vitamin B. When a diet lacking of vitamin B for a long time, it could result beriberi. The symptoms of beriberi are weak muscle and nerves, and person feels tired easily. The person is not feeling well and it feel tired for a short in a very short time, and you can see a person human's hand, and you can see the rashes on their hand is because of the deficiency of vitamin B. It could be cured by eating sprouts, cereals, unpolished rice, milk, nuts, meat. Third is vitamin C. Vitamin C, when a diet lacking a vitamin C for a long time, it could result in scurvy. You can see this figure, a person is suffering from scurvy. And what are the symptoms of scurvy is wounds take longer to heal and gums bleed easily. You can see that the bleeding gums, and it will take a longer period of time in heal. Okay, it could be cured by eating orange, lemon, tomato, amla, grapes, guava, kiwi, strawberry, etc. Now let's move forward to vitamin D. Vitamin D, when a diet lacking of vitamin D for a long time, it could result in rickets. What happened in rickets? You can see that a normal person and a person is suffering from rickets. The symptoms of rickets are pigeon chest and bowed legs. You can see that the bowed legs. And when this nutrient is lacking for a longer period of time in a human body, then it also causes a short height. It could be cured by eating vegetables oil and fish oils it, and eating vegetables, etc. Let's move forward to calcium. It could probably eating lack of calcium for a longer period of time. It could result in osteoporosis. What happens in osteoporosis? A person makes the weak bone and soft. You can see that a person is suffering from osteoporosis. You can see that the person is not so fit. His bones are quite bent as compared to the normal person. It's just because of the lack of calcium. As we all know that the calcium is responsible for strong bones. That's why it could be cured by eating fish, milk, milk products, egg. Now let's move forward to the lack of nutrient iodine. When a diet lacking iodine for a long time, it could result in goiter. The symptom of goiter is neck get swollen. If the neck gets swollen for a longer period of time, then a person may leads to death because it will it makes difficult in breathing. It could be cured by eating iodized salt, seafood, seaweed, and fish. The last is iron. When a diet lacking iron for a long time, it could result anemia. And what are the symptoms of anemia? Is the person gets tired easily, looks pale and unhealthy. These are the symptoms of anemia, and it could be cured by eating grapes, dates, bananas, spinach, jaggery, liver, apple, and beetroot. So, this is it is very important that we should all eat a balanced diet, because when we eat a balanced diet, then all these nutrient will remain in our body in a proper amount, and when these nutrient are present in our body in a proper amount, then we are not suffered from these diseases. So we should always eat a balanced diet. So I'll give you a one worksheet and you have to complete that worksheet in your previous year science notebook. I hope you all understand this lecture. Thank you.